Breaking news: Cyclone Tekeli is hitting Madagascar, and so far it's very close hitting the island, but isn't because the winds are strong. Because he's the track of Cyclone Tekeli, the Category 1. Let's go. Hope you see it will go downwind in Madagascar, and then it will exit Madagascar. See, look at that. Look at that. Mikey, it will go. In 18 it will exit. Now it's time to check the winds now. See that is very strong. It will go now, and then this is the truck now. Wait a minute.
Pero ang tingin ko naka-effect sa marriage namin, yung nagpupukot kasi siya sa akin na nagpupropose ako sa'yo, binilang sabi mo ayaw mo ng singsing. Pero I want yun eh. Kaso as a Pilipina, I think
Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe now.